This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Dwyer. Enjoy spectacular and peaceful lake views from your Screened Lanai in this 2 bedrooms, 2 baths second floor condo. This great room floor plan is spacious and bright with soaring ceilings. The air conditioner was replaced in 2022. It's move-in ready and freshly painted for season to enjoy all the amenities in our friendly Colonial Community that includes tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball, fitness center, 2 community pools and a neighborhood pool, clubhouse with happy hours and entertainment, acres of preserve and walking trails to enjoy all that nature provides, 18-hole championship, pay-as-you-play, golf course and a fun social program for everyone. Colonial is near I-75, SWFL International Airport, Red Sox, and Twins spring training stadiums, restaurants, shopping malls, theaters, entertainment and the beautiful beaches of Fort Myers and Sanibel. Relax and enjoy the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Dwyer at 239-898-8946.